Very good evening. How you doing? 4:45 by the watch. I'm Jashin Kapani, the founder and CEO of Ambricon Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. And it's only a Tuesday. And firstly, cheers to you on a fantastic Tuesday. Delhi's kind of warm now. So for those who are kind of waking up with headaches and stuff like that, it's the weather, the air condition and the sun and everything. So nothing very serious to be very bothered and concerned about and stuff and all that. See a doctor, take rest, get adequate sleep and stuff, spend some time indoors and stuff. Okay, so now for those who are tuned in for interior solutions and architecture work, and people who've been liking and sending me messages on social media as well, and of course we discuss when we meet and stuff, a quick idea to kind of kickstart your spaces such as a drawing room or a living style, a living room or a lifestyle room or whatever, a library. How do you kickstart it into a beautification look and stuff? Okay, this is a unedited one and stuff. So it's going to be summers very soon, and in Delhi and North India we have Maltas and we have oranges. So you're going to enjoy the juice and stuff like that. But you could use those oranges, and you can use those Maltas, the beautiful orangish ones, for home decor and stuff like that. Okay. So what you do is you just have an orange. And you have a stick of a flower, or let's say, let me show you a cutting. So I have this cutting here, and I have a hole inside. Let's say this is an apple here, I have an orange instead of this. So I put in I make a hole in this, very simple, and I put in this stick here. Or I have these leaves here, and remnants of flowers and stuff. So these leaves and these flowers are drying ones. So this is very close to potpourri and stuff like that. It's an ikigai concept. See how beautiful they look with the light and everything. So you could place flowers inside the oranges or the Malta. हिंदी में अगर आपको संतरा या मौसमी यूज़ करनी है अपने घर को डेकोर करने में और अच्छी खुशबू के लिए, कुछ दिन के लिए अच्छा चलेगा, वो आपको क्या करना है, एक ऑरेंज लेना है, एक माल्टा लेना है, उसके अंदर एक छेद करना है टॉप में, और उसके अंदर एक आप लंबी सी स्टिक या कटिंग लगा दें. और अगर आप उसको हाइट देना चाह रहे हैं तो एक के ऊपर एक करके या तीन करके आप उसको वर्टिकल तरीके से लगा सकते हैं, और आपका एक बड़ा अच्छा ब्यूटीफुल बुके तैयार हो जाएगा. So the other idea that I shared was flowers, sponge, and long, glass containers and stuff, like maybe wooden ones. I mean, whatever is available, or whatever you want to kind of work on yourself. I mean, some of my friends are into, woodwork and stuff like that. In their free time, they do that. So if you want to do that, or if you have, let's say, round bowls, or you have long bowls or long containers and stuff, what you do is you just put in a sponge. So let's say your long vase or a glass container is about let's say 2.5 feet long. So you have a sponge which is about 2 feet. So place a green sponge or the off-white sponge or whatever color sponge in that, and you put in series by series plants. You can have flowers, you can have leaves with long sticks and stuff, and remember to water them occasionally. So very easy, so very simple. So this is luxury sophistication tip which has come to my mind over the last 2 days and stuff. I was holding back on sharing them. Also a quick point, so people who are feeling hot and they are not enjoying being indoors and stuff like that, what you must do is rearrange your furniture and stuff, because what happens is when you are in the same space over the number of months and years and stuff like that, I mean, you can't change your house every second day, can you? Unless you go for a vacation or you're kind of circulating in houses of relatives and friends or whatever. So a realistic approach would be that you kind of rearrange the furniture and stuff. Rearranging the furniture is going to be kind of also giving a relook to your rooms, and it's also going to give you good energy and circulation of air and everything and all that. Okay, So let's say you have a drawing room and your grandparents or your parents have an issue, or you don't want to shift the furniture and stuff because you come from a school of thought टूट जाएगा या ऐसे अच्छा लग रहा है, इसको हिलाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है and stuff. So highly recommended feng shui tip is rearrange the furniture, rearrange it, and keep adding some new items every week and stuff. Start doing away with the older stuff unless you're into vintage properties and stuff like that. It's highly recommended because what happens is that first of all, chi is good and it's new energy which is also welcoming prosperity and stuff like that. Also, I see outside houses and stuff like that, there are lots of chappals and shoes which are assembled and everything, and many a times your entry is blocked. So very important during summers especially, and during the festival season and throughout the year, is to have a clean entry to your spaces and stuff. The reason is this, that you're not going to be blocking energy and you're going to kind of leave a message to the universe that you want new stuff to happen and all that, okay? Make sure that the lighting is really good. If you say light nahi hai, facility nahi hai, get a tube light instead of a bulb and stuff. You don't have to depend on, if you're living in a community or a gated thing, on your people who are your neighborhood decision takers on the health and on the electrical concerns and stuff like that. So the healthier or the right approach would be to have maybe paneling done or tube lights put in. Avoid putting in a mirror which is deflecting light. It's always a good idea to have lots of mirrors in the house at different spaces, because light gives you this feeling of mirror gives you this feeling of a room which is well lit and beautiful and stuff. So the natural light, see, this is behind me, this is natural light, so what have I done, I've just put in some plants here and I've rearranged a little bit of it, and I have windows and stuff. And for my collection, I have a mirror here which I've placed here. And this mirror, when I sit in the different corners of my house and stuff, it kind of reflects light and stuff and all that, okay? So of course mirrors have to be made in and stuff, but the idea is lighting is a big concern because what happens is that the better the lighting, the better your mind works and all. And when it comes to switching off in the night after 8:30, I've already shared this before, you got to switch off the lights and get into a comfortable zone where you're able to sleep and stuff like that. And what's also important is to kind of make sure that you water plants and stuff, because when you're looking after plants and you're engaged in good music and you're kind of what do they say, gardening or stuff, nature has this grounding thing and this feeling good thing. And if you have some really good music playing in your house, plants respond. So if any one of you ever has a chance to come to my house, also my friends will see this, that the plants in our house are normally upward in their growth and stuff. That's because I personally or professionally feel that they respond to the good vibrational music and stuff. So extremely important is to maintain those plants and stuff and look after your own self. And very important stress free trip and clutter free trip is घर को साफ रखिए. सबसे ज़रूरी घर को साफ रखिए, बिकॉज जितना साफ रखेंगे आपको, उतना आपको घर कम मेंटेन करना पड़ेगा, और आपको कम अगर मेंटेन करना होएगा घर, तो आपको फिर आपको ज़्यादा टाइम मिलेगा बाकी चीज़ें करने के लिए, काम करने के लिए, बाहर जाने के लिए, फ्रेंड्स को मिलने के लिए. बिकॉज होता क्या है कि लोगों का दिमाग, लड़कियों का और जितने भी घर के लोग हैं उनका दिमाग इस पे चलता है अगर वो कहीं और हो कि घर पे सफाई करनी है, ठीक है. तो द पॉइंट इज़, जितना आप मेंटेन करेंगे, जितना आप सफाई रखेंगे, उतना आपके लिए आसान है, उतना आप जल्दी काम ख़त्म कर पाएंगे. आप सुबह देखेंगे कि अगर आपने एक डेडिकेटेड टाइम दे दिया है 8 बजे से लेकर 10 बजे, कई बार आपका काम उससे जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाएगा. और ये मैंने देखा है, ये ट्राइड एंड टेस्टेड है. दिस इज़ एट माई हाउस एन एक्सपीरियंस. Our work at times, house shows would not finish off till about 11 o'clock or something, because obviously we were starting late. But now the moment we kind of started getting a little more disciplined and a little more, pushy and assertive on finishing our work before time, I don't know what is happening, but I think even the house helpers got used to the idea. They want to go early, and the work finishes off before 9:45, 10. So it is the way you train them. एंड अगर आप बैठे रहेंगे अपने कुर्सियों पे, अपने टेबल पे, और आप एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे कि काम जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाए, वो नहीं होएगा. सो व्हाट वुड बी द राइटफुल अप्रोच इज़ यू ऑल्सो हेल्प द मेड्स और people around you. Let's say somebody is cleaning your room or somebody is cleaning your house, flooring और फ्लोर पे मॉपिंग हो रही है या पोछा लग रहा है, तो जैसे वो सूखे तो आप rather than wasting time and waiting for your house help to kind of rearrange the furniture or your what do you call carpets and stuff. Give them a helping hand, and as you do that, who's going to benefit from the early cleaning? You, right? So a lot of people tell me हम क्यों कर रहे हैं, हम तो पैसे दे रहे हैं, हम उनको पे कर रहे हैं. But the point is this, that हाथ तो उनके दो है सिर्फ, right? और अगर आपको कहीं जाना है और आपको कहीं टाइम पे पहुंचना है तो आपको हेल्प करना चाहिए उन्हें. So very important lighting, very important greenery, very important to live clutter free, because less clutter free it is, the more balanced and nice you'll feel. And as you're giving away stuff, or you're sorting out stuff and all that, you will realize that there are certain things you just don't need, and that helps you. And also, I mean, one has to understand this, that we like to collect things which we may not even use. And some of us Indians are so amazing in this, collect करके we'll pile up stuff and all that, but we'll never use them. We'll keep them for a later on date. हम किसी को gift कर देंगे, हम किसी को pass on कर देंगे, ये सब चीज़ें, which is a very regular habit and stuff. But the more you kind of pile on things in your cupboards, in your lofts, in your bedrooms and stuff, the more difficult it becomes to later on deal with it. So if you've not used something for maybe 6 months or 7 months, I don't think it needs to be in the house. And before you give it away to someone, you have to ask the question to the people living with you, is this of any value to you? Somebody may have an emotional value. It may be your grandparents' belonging. It may be your father's gift to you. It may be your mother's gift or your daughter's gift or whatever, So these little tips help. So this is what I've been very actively and proactively sharing, that clutter-free means stress-free. So that's a tip. I would want to kind of remind people that stress management is not work-related, okay? Stress is positive stress and negative stress. There's a school of thought which says stress is also not a good word to use. But the point is that if you feel, well, I don't know what word to use, but if you feel that stuff is not happening on time and stuff, what's very important is to schedule it and get into time management. And very important this year, 2025, before the weather changes for the worse, it's going to get really warm, rearrange your furniture, get your air conditioners working, have proper lighting happening, have lots of greenery happening, place water bowls everywhere, inside your house with salt and everything. Place water bowls and stuff outside your houses for animals and birds and everything. And as you step out, you're going to kind of indulge in nature and you're going to feel so good. And I realize this, that when I go for a walk sometimes, I see the strays in my neighborhood are sitting in a certain area, and when you sit there, you know why they're sitting there, because they're actually soaking up nature, so all of those helps. तो अगर आप नेचर में नहीं जा सकते, नेचर को घर ले आइए, ओके? तो हर हफ्ते आप एक नया गमला लगाइए, हर हफ्ते आप एक प्लांट लगाइए, हर हफ्ते आप कुछ प्लांट्स को लुक आफ्टर कीजिए, कुछ फ्लावर्स लगाइए, और आपका स्टेट ऑफ माइंड और आपका घर सुंदर हो जाएगा. बहुत ईजी है. और ये जो टिप मैंने आपको दी है, 2 टिप्स आप कर सकते हैं, माल्टा एंड ऑरेंजेस. एंड द नेक्स्ट इज़ योर the long container. You can actually put like a sponge and you can have beautiful flowers. So the cuttings, I've got a cutting here, so if I would just pick up this cutting and I would put inside the sponge, it will look beautiful. And I don't have too many flowers today, but yes, of course, I've already shared this particular bottle, which has got these beautiful ikigai, or these regular flowers which I've plucked, and I've just put them in water. See, it's so easy, it's very easy to maintain, and it's already growing in, so people don't know that some flowers and plants grow not in soil. It becomes easy to manage them and stuff. So all your concerns around climate, all your concern around health, around your concern about beautification and styling and everything are addressed here. So write to me if you want to. We can team up, we can meet up. I'm on jkapani@gmail.com, justine@gmail.com, and justine@office@gmail.com. Thanks so much for your feedback. Thanks so much for your likes, and let's keep the good work going. Bye-bye. Cheers. Enjoy yourself. Take care. And cheers to you on a lovely chai. This is a cup which is from my creation. This is the Evil Eye concept. So this is what I researched over the last few days and stuff. It's got a beautiful base here. That's the base here. So if you would like to order these, you want to get in touch with me, please message me. They are not very expensive and they are very easy to maintain and they are microwave friendly. And there are other items also. Well, actually, this is my personal space, but I'll show you something. This is again from my collection. If you would like to get in touch and order something like this is a face. So this is a arty work. This is also something which was done. It's a sample here. So if you'd like to order, we would have fresher pieces and stuff. And if you were to research those and stuff, you would see that they are far more expensive and our pricing is definitely going to be much better. So it comes with this. So what you do is you use this amazing face and you have a nice decoration happening. Probably you can put in a plant or you could just, keep it like this. I love the concept. It's a wink, I love it. So it's made out of sand and other material and stuff. So you could write to me for this, and these are exclusive pieces and stuff, not very easily available. But of course, we can do this for you. So get in touch. Take care. Love and luck. Bye-bye. And that's a mirror from my collection as well, okay? So this is me, Justin Kapani. Have fun and have a blast. Enjoy. Take care. Stay rested. Stay hydrated, okay? So love and luck. Take care. Bye-bye.